Greetings to all. Professor I. Palani from IIT Indore and myself Vasa from IIT Madras. We are going to deliver a course on laser assisted measurements and micromanufacturing. Lasers are technology enables and useful precision tools for measuring and modifying materials at micro and nanometer scales. Laser measurements provide non-contact precise measurements. Various key techniques in measurements include laser metrology, interferometry, optical coherence tomography, laser induced breakdown spectroscopy, and absorption spectroscopy. Laser micro manufacturing permits precise removal and addition of material. Lasers are useful in micro drilling as well as generating 3D shapes, synthesizing micromolds and nanostructuring, etc. Lasers are also useful for cutting difficult to process material, hard materials such as glass, ceramics, etc. And they are also being used as hybrid systems in combinations with other micromachining technologies. Hence, this course is proposed for a comprehensive understanding of lasers and their multidisciplinary applications. By attending this course, one should be able to learn and understand 1. Different types of laser systems, 2. Properties of laser beams and beam delivery systems, 3. Different approaches for laser aided measurements, 4. Applications of lasers in macro, micro and nano material processing, and finally laser selection criteria for different applications.
So we have designed this course in such a way that it's a 12-week course. Each and every module is designed so that it starts from the fundamentals towards the device development and towards the final applications. The course is mainly designed for undergraduate and postgraduate students who have interest in the field of laser-based measurements and manufacturing. The course also has a good amount of research component. So we invite PhD scholars from different universities, scientists from different R&D organizations and industries to enroll to this particular course.
Overall, the content will be useful for developing novel laser-based approaches for new applications. Thank you.
Thank you.